Your iPhone has a hidden NFC menu that most users never discover. And it unlocks some pretty useful features too. In today's video, I'll show you how to access and use Apple's secret NFC tools. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Tap on the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you can't find it, you can swipe down on your phone and type in Wallet. The other way is to check if your NFC is active by double-clicking the power button on the right to bring up the NFC menu. If you see the NFC icon that says Hold Near Reader, it means your NFC is working properly. The last way to toggle on or check your NFC is by going to your shortcuts. So you can go to the Shortcuts app, or you can swipe down on your phone and type in Shortcuts. Tap on Automation on the bottom menu. Tap on New Automation. Tap on Search on the bottom. Type in NFC and tap on it. Tap on Scan and try to place it near an NFC tag to see if it works. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.